Hello guys, namaste and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will say how to make Motichoor Ladoos. So for reference point, we will take 15 ladoos. First of all, you will need 1 cup of besan flour, or you famously known as gram flour or flour of chana, and then 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoon ghee, small pinch of orange color or yellow color for adding color to the ladoos, and 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, which is also known as elaichi powder, or some saffron, also known as kesar, and a cup of water. So first of all, take a cup of besan flour into a bowl, and then add or mix orange food color to give a color to the ladoos, and pour slowly the water into it so that the besan paste is perfectly formed. After besan paste is ready, take a frying pan, put some desi ghee or cooking oil into it and make it warm. Now place a besan paste into a plastic bag and make a small hole in the bottom of it, and start pouring besan paste in hot oil. Fry it for about 1 minute. Now you can see the small bundis for laddus are being made and they are swimming beautifully in the oil. Now you can repeat the procedure for making more bundis for laddus. Now is the time to make chasni or sugar syrup. For making sugar syrup, take a pan and take a cup of sugar and a cup of water and boil it for about 4 to 5 minutes. While the sugar syrup is being boiled, you can add 1 teaspoon of kesar or saffron, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a small pinch of the orange or yellow color. Now our sugar syrup is absolutely ready. Add some bundis into it and mix it properly for 3 to 5 minutes. After mixing bundis into sugar syrup, you can add 2 tablespoons of ghee and some melon seeds. If you don't have melon seeds, you can add any nuts, but melon seeds go perfectly with Motichoor Ladoo. Now after frying bundis with sugar syrup for about 5 minutes, you can take them out, put it in a bowl and let it cool and make round shape of them like laddus, and you can taste it. We made it, we tested it, they are super tasty. So this is a full procedure about making laddus, or famously known as Motichoor Ladoos. For more such informative videos, please do like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.